Hey, it is Victoria. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. In today's video, I wanted to share with you all how I get rid of my blackheads and whiteheads. I typically get them like right around in my nose area and like right here under my chin. And they are so deeply embedded into my skin and they're so hard to get rid of. But I wanted to share with you all a quick way to get rid of them that I found, I think maybe 2 years ago I came across this, and it has been working perfect ever since. So please stay tuned. It is coming up next.
Alright guys, so before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys the before I apply the mask, what my chin looks like. I wanted to show you close up with the whiteheads and the blackheads, and it's just drives me crazy. And so this is what this looks like, and here's my nose. So this is one side of my nose, and I'm trying to get as close as possible so you guys can see the whiteheads there and the blackheads. Even when I scratch at it here, you can see how deeply embedded they are into my skin. And here's the other side of my nose with the whiteheads sticking out as well. But let's get rid of them. So let's start with the mask. So basically what you'll need to get started is almond milk, or you can use any milk really, as well as gelatin. I use mine by Vital Proteins, but you can use any type of gelatin, and honey, as well as a tablespoon and a bowl. So basically what you do is you take 2 tablespoons of milk and you put that into the bowl, and you want to make sure you warm this up. So stick this in the microwave for about 15 seconds before getting started with anything else. Once it's warmed up, you want to add in 2 tablespoons of gelatin. And then when you add that in, you just stir it together. For some reason here, mine got a little icky, so I had to add a little more warm milk to get this texture. So this is the consistency that you are looking for. And once you have this mixed in, now it's time to add the honey. And you can add about a tablespoon of honey. Some people use a half a tablespoon of honey, but this is the consistency that you're looking for, nice and sticky and gooey. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a makeup brush to apply this all over my problem areas, which is pretty much from my nose to my chin. And I'm just going to take this and dollop this on and slather it in very deeply into the crevices in the areas I'm having issues. And I layer this on. So that's the first layer, and then I do it again for the second layer because I want to make sure that it's on really thick. Oh, and just a quick side note, guys, do not set this bowl down before you put this on. Don't let it sit out because it gets really hard and you won't be able to apply it. So this is my second coat here, and then I let it dry for 15 minutes. So now it's time to peel it off, and this is the hard part. It's also the fun part though, because I can really feel everything pulling from my skin. Look how hard that is. Look how sticky that is. It is really pulling and tugging away at the whiteheads and the blackheads that are stuck in my nose. So I'm just going to take my time here and pull this off very carefully because I want to make sure that I'm pulling the whiteheads and the blackheads from my pores out of my skin. Another thing, guys, that I just want to recommend is when you are pulling this off, kind of tug away from your skin in this motion. And the reason why, look at that, feels so good. The reason why is because you don't want to just yank it off. It won't work that way. You want to really take your time with it so you can literally pull it out of your skin. But I'm all done here. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face, and this is what's left. And as you can see here, my skin is pretty red from the areas of where I wanted to get the whiteheads out of. And I'm going to give you guys a close-up look so you can see that it is completely clear of the whiteheads that I had before and the blackheads that I had before. Here's close up on my nose, and even when I scratch it, as you can see, nothing comes up. Trying to give you guys a view from all angles just so you can see the after results, and I really love this. This really helped me out, so I hope you guys give this a try as well as a part of your routine.
And there you have it, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video, and please be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.